centre has defended the detention of climate activist Sonam Wangchuk under the National Security Act, calling his activities detrimental to the security of state and public order. Now, in an affidavit submitted to the Supreme Court, the Leh District Magistrate said that the decision to arrest Wangchuk on September 26th was made after a thorough review of all the documents and on the basis of his personal satisfaction. In fact, the magistrate stated that Wangchuk's actions were found to have an adverse impact on essential community services, public peace and also the security of Ladakh. He added, and I quote him here, "I still stand by the decision to arrest. It was taken in accordance with law." Now viewers, the affidavit was filed in response to a petition by Wangchuk's wife Gitanjali Angmo, who has challenged his detention before the top court. Now the Supreme Court on Tuesday adjourned the hearing to October 15th, citing paucity of time, in fact. Now, Wangchuk was detained under Section 3(2) of the NSA days after violent protests in Ladakh demanding statehood and 6th scheduled status, which left at least 4 people dead and at least 90 injured. In fact, the government has also accused him of inciting the violence in the area. Meanwhile, in another development, a counter affidavit filed before the Supreme Court, Sonam Wangchuk's wife claimed that she is being followed and also kept under constant surveillance since arriving in Delhi on September 30th. She stated, and I quote her here, "As soon as I stepped out of my accommodation, a car and a man on a bike follow me wherever I go across Delhi. This surveillance violates my rights under Article 19 and 21 of the Indian Constitution." In fact, she also said that she first noticed the trailing vehicles after holding a press conference in Delhi on September 30th. Now, her affidavit further alleges that the monitoring has continued without interruption since that day. Now, the Supreme Court has earlier issued notices to the centre and the Union Territory of Ladakh on her plea, but has so far not directed the officials to share the detention grounds.